Look at this endless universe. It's full of wonders, adventures, and endless possibilities. How could anyone not smile at all this beauty? Even in this vast cosmos, I feel so small and lost. How can something so beautiful still feel so empty inside? I tried so hard, but maybe I wasn't strong enough. Why does it feel like the universe itself is weeping with me? I can't believe it! Every hardship, every struggle, it was all worth it. We've made it to something greater than I ever imagined.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to create a consistent character in Comic Book Creator GPT. So first of all, I have this character that I just generated in another chat. So I upload it and then ask to create the details of this character. So ChatGPT gives me all these details, and then I said, okay, now we create the image, and as you can see, it generates a very similar image. So then, I'm going to do some speech and voiceover for this character. And now I will just go and generate different moods of this same character, and let's see how it works. And now I will say, create another. He's crying, looking to the left. And as you can see, it's really the same guy. Of course, the outfit is a little bit different, but it's really hard to keep the same robotic kind of outfit. Okay, so now I will put another one. He's facing the camera, and he's very, very happy. Let's see how it comes out. Okay, so we have a few of them. Now I will ask to make a speech for each mood. Okay, so I'm going to create the speech. So I will say, please create speech for each image depending on his mood. Also make it around 10 seconds each. And let's see what it gives us. Okay, so nice. Now we are going to create voiceovers for all of these images and make an animation. Okay, now we are going to create our voiceover. So for that, we are going to select every speech that's created by ChatGPT. And just copy-paste inside of the audio place, speech synthesis, and select the voice. We select this one. And here we have different types of emotions. So for example, the first one was happy, so we put happy, and then just create and generate. Okay, I will download this. And next I will go to create another one, but now I will change the emotion, so I will put something a little bit sad. Okay, let's do the third one. Okay, and then the last one is. Okay, so we have our 4 audio files, and now we are going to generate our video files. For that, we are going to download the images from ChatGPT, and then transfer them to PNG, and then go to Hailuoai, video generator, and then do image to video, and let's see what comes out. So what we are going to do is just upload the images, and then add a simple prompt, and click generate. So as you can see, I have done this before. Okay, so I am going to now add audio to these videos, and just adjust a little bit, so it looks like a lip sync video. Let's see this one. Okay, I will go to generate one more from each of these images, and you know on hailuoai.video you can just click recreate, and it will send it to the. So here I will put. Then I will download all this video once it's generated, and we are going to CapCut and work there to create our video. CapCut, I just upload all these videos that I generated and then place them one after another to create this small clip. Also, as you can see, I try to edit the audio file. In some places, I just adjust the spacing so it aligns better with the voice. It kind of looks like lip syncing, but it's not. Here, for example, there's another short video generated, and you can see it doing some kind of transition so quickly that you barely notice the difference. That's how we create all our voiceovers. Then I add an adjustment layer and start fine-tuning the colors, adjusting the saturation, and playing with the contrast. After that, I add a bit of sharpness so the image looks a bit better. See, this is the original one, and this is the enhanced version. You can play around with it to give a little less or more color here. So once it's ready, let's see.
Look at this endless universe. It's full of wonders, adventures, and endless possibilities. How could anyone not smile at all this beauty? Even in this vast cosmos, I feel so small and lost. How can something so beautiful still feel so empty inside? I tried so hard, but maybe I wasn't strong enough. Why does it feel like the universe itself is weeping with me? I can't believe it! Every hardship, every struggle, it was all worth it. We've made it to something greater than I ever imagined.
Remember, we also have a YouTube channel where you can watch more tutorials. Be sure to subscribe if you'd like to learn more about these platforms and how to work with our text-to-video prompt generator. We have many different types of videos explaining the process, and it's really easy to follow along. You can also download free assets from our Patreon by becoming a free member. We're uploading useful content there. Be sure to follow us on X, formerly Twitter, and visit our Facebook page. We have all our links listed on Linktree, so you can easily find them. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.